Hi guys, we are told to simplify 9 raised to the power 9 all over 4 multiplied by 3 divided by square root of 3. So this is a problem involving laws of indices. So we are going to employ the laws of indices in solving this exponential problem. So let's solve it here. We have 9 raised to the power 9 all over 4 multiplied by 3 all over square root of 3. So from the laws of indices, we are going to convert the square root of 3 to become an exponent. And we know that if you have x raised to the power a all over b, a is the power and b is the root. So whenever we are having square root or cube root or any other root, we are looking at the denominator of the power. So square root of 3 means 3 raised to the power 1 all over 2. Because here we don't have any power here. What we have is root, square root of 3. So since the denominator is a root, so square root is divided by 2. So we have 3 raised to the power 1 all over 2. So let's replace square root of 3 with 3 raised to the power 1 all over 2. So we have 9 raised to the power 9 all over 4 multiplied by 3 all over 3 raised to the power 1 all over 2. However, 3 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 1. Any number raised to the power 1 is that number. So we can replace just having 3 here to write 3 raised to the power 1. So let's introduce that. So we have 9 raised to the power 9 all over 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 all over 3 raised to the power 1 all over 2. So here we have a base of 3. Here we have a base of 3. But here we still have a base of 9. So we can convert this base of 9 to have a base of 3. Remember, 9 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2. So instead of having 9 here, we can replace it with 3 raised to the power 2. So let's introduce that. So we have 3 raised to the power 2 into 9 all over 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 all over 3 raised to the power 1 all over 2. Okay? So at this point, these 2 can multiply 9 all over 4. So 2 as a numerator can cancel out 4 as a denominator. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So we can have this as 3 raised to the power 9 all over 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 all over 3 raised to the power 1 all over 2. Okay? So there are 2 ways we can go about solving from this point. We can work on this first and then divide by this. Or we can simply transform this division line to a division sign. Okay, so we can have it as 3 raised to the power 9 all over 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 1 all over 2. So this and this are the same. We only converted this division sign to become this. The next thing we are going to do is either work on these 2 first or work on the 3 together. So let's work on the 3 together. Remember, when we have 2 indices with the same base multiplying each other, we are going to add the powers. So let's add the powers, but we are going to maintain one of the 2 bases. So we have 3 raised to the power 9 all over 2 plus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 1 all over 2. The next thing we are going to do is employ the law of division, which states that when the bases are the same, you subtract the powers. So this is the new power here. You subtract this one from it. So we have 3 raised to the power 9 all over 2 plus 1 minus 1 all over 2. So at this point, we can start breaking it down. 1 has a denominator of 1, so their common denominator will be 2. So we have 3 raised to the power, we bring 2 out as common denominator. 2 divided by 2 is going to give us 1. 1 multiplied by 9 is going to give us 9. We bring the plus sign down. 2 divided by 1. Remember, every whole number has an invisible denominator of 1. 2 divided by 1 is going to give us 2. And 2 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 2. We bring the minus sign down. Okay. 2 divided by 2 is going to give us 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 1. So let's write this summation down. 9 plus 2 is going to give us 11. 11 minus 1 is going to give us 10. So we have 10 all over 2. So we have 3 raised to the power 10 over 2. But we can break this down. 2 here, 5. 2 here, 1. That means our final answer is 3 raised to the power 5. This becomes the answer to this simple question. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.